Good morning, everybody. This is the dashboard. Today we're headed on a little bit of a road trip. We're headed out to St Augustine. We're going out to the Adamec Harley down there in St Augustine for the Callahan Cruisers Adamec Harley Trunk or Treat event. Car show. So we're going to go see what shows up. I went to this event last year. It was a pretty good event. Pretty full. But it may be a little bit smaller this year because it's got competition. Yeah, there's 3 or 4 other trunk or treat car shows going on this morning, or just car shows we'll call it, because I don't know if they're trunk or treats or not. But I'm going to go down to this one because I went to this one last year, and I'm a member of the Callahan Cruisers, so I'm going to go out to a club event before I go to anybody else's. So should be a pretty good event. I always get a little bit of different mix at this one because it draws in some of the St. Augustine crowd and some of the Clay County crowd. So we'll go see what shows up. We'll take some video, take a lot of pictures. So stay tuned. Okay. Number 14, how about you? She's loving me. You must forget if you might get me. You are proud and tough.
Superstition ain't the way.
Not rich.
Okay, move along then.
Alright.
Right. I always feel better, but I think I've got to be. That's true. It's right. You've had it that many years. I doubt that we're even done. No, my 2 girls
Got the other hand gripping down on the cool.
They don't really show up good.
Alright guys, so we just left the Adamec Harley in St Augustine and the trunk or treat event. Headed on home. Had a lot of cars there. Had some pretty awesome cars there that I'm going to show you in the walkabouts. Stuff you don't see very often. But it was definitely a little bit of a smaller turnout than we've had before. I think everybody decided to have a trunk or treat event today, and well, you know, there's only so many cars to go around. But it was still a good event. Lots of kids came out and got lots of candy. We went through about 10 pounds worth ourselves, giving out to the kids. So it was a good day, great show. I mean, really, what else can you say? There was some awesome decorating with some of the cars. I'm gonna have to up my game, but we got to remember we're a no budget production. So it's whatever's on clearance after Halloween is what's going to be on our car next year. So that's going to wrap that one up. I don't know that I have anything next weekend to look forward for a car show. I mean, I got a couple things I could do. I know I've got the Sunday pit stop at the Orange Park Mall on Sunday next week, but I don't have a big Saturday show. So I may have to look around and see what I can find for that. On to the channel news. Putting out the short videos has been working. We've picked up 10 subscribers since we started doing that. We're up to 141. Still a long way to go to 500, but hey, we're making progress again. For about a month, we didn't pick up a single subscriber. So I guess the shorts are working. We're going to keep doing them. So that's about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Keep these videos coming at you. You know, I'm out here doing this for you guys. I'm out here sweating it off at the car shows so you guys can get the experience of being there without actually having to go. I hope you guys realize that. You can look back at the car show and if you missed it and go, oh, so that was what was there. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll keep doing it as long as we keep getting likes and subscribers, and as long as everybody likes what we're doing, we'll continue to do it for as long as we can. So, we'll see you on the next one, whatever the next one may be.